were always second place. You were always second place.
Hello, Mother? Do you know what day today is? It's my birthday!
Do you think I'm stupid? Don't play with me like that. You know what today is. You don't understand how much I regret choosing you. Your poor, poor brother.
Good morning, Miss Cassandra. Happy birthday.
Who do you think you are? I don't want your sympathy. Where's my breakfast? It is 8:22.
It will be arriving shortly.
Did you miss me?
Mother, I'm home! Mother!
What? I was busy.
I decided to get my own cake because you didn't want to.
How dare you disrespect me like that? You're the reason your brother's dead. There's absolutely no reason to celebrate.
It wasn't my decision. You chose me over him. You're the reason he's dead.
You have no place in my house. The only memory left of your brother is you, and you can't even live up to that. It's time you put him in place.
No, not alone. I can't be alone. I can't be alone.
I wonder which one to choose. Not one, not three, yes, two.
Wait, no, please, wait, no! 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 No!
I know you've been thinking about me. Everyone in that house has. Not a day goes by when they don't imagine what could have been. The perfect family.
Mother! Mother, don't leave me! Mother, please!
Like you left me. If I don't deserve to live, neither do you. Hello.
You didn't think you could possibly escape my memory, did you?
I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. I wish you were real, I really do, but please.
You were always second place.